to pass their own version of 200 pesos wage hike. At gusto nila mag-BICAM 2 days before adjourning CNDA. How can we do that? I was busy presiding with my own commission on appointments sa CA. Senator Joel Villanueva, who is the current chairman of Committee on Labor, was also busy presiding on his own commission on appointments committee. So how can we do that? So lumapit sa akin si Congressman Raymond Mendoza, yung party list ng TUCP, begging if we can constitute the BICAM. Sabi ko, ang sinabi ko kay Congressman Mendoza, you just adopt the Senate version para wala nang problema. Okay? Very clear yon. Tinext ko pa sa kanya. Ang sabi niya, bakit hindi nila paper BICAM? Sabi ko, hindi ako papayag. I-adopt nyo na lang yung Senate version para mas madali. They had one more session, before one more day before adjourning CNDA. But they did not do anything about it. So tapos sasabihin nung spokesperson ng House of Representatives that we killed the legislated wage hike. That is not true. Sinungaling yan. Tsaka kabago-bago lang yan eh. Hindi nagre-research yan.